So one of the things as a wildlife photographer, you get up early and off you go.
I got a lot of sunshine and not a lot of rain, a whole lot of happy and not a single tear on my face. Pockets overflowing with what I need today. Doesn't mean that it's easy and it isn't always great, but it's all good. It's all good.
The estuary was beautiful this morning and I just waited to see what came in. So what I did is I was just laid down here, had my mat out, sun was coming up over there, you can see it now in the sky, and some of the birds are still there, and I just waited to see what came in, and it was just so nice because I did lots of different types of photography. I did the backlight. I went light and dark with it, and I'll show you some examples of that. And I also did a bit of side light, not a lot, and I was also just experimenting really, and that's what you've got to do when you go out. And because you can see all this mud on the ground and mud and weed, and when the sun was low in the sky, I was getting some really nice effects with the sun hitting the weed because it was wet, and so I was getting these beautiful reflective bokeh balls happening. But it was I just noticed as I went up and down with my exposure, it looked different. And the other thing is you can see that background, that like row of trees going along the water's edge there. I was able to get some dark background sometimes, but I couldn't over here where the water is. You can see the water there. I couldn't avoid that in my photos, so I've sort of accepted that and just did the best that I could with it. But there were times when I was able to just get some different things, and you'll see the photos and you can let me know what you think. Very often, like that, I can get a really close video of the kangaroo with my pocket camera, and this is pretty close because it's a wide angle, and he's really enjoying some tucker there, and he's obviously used to people. I generally do not approach the kangaroos because, especially if they're breeding or something, or the males wants the female, you could get into a bit of strife there. And I just heard the great egret behind me. I'm very governed by noise around here and movement, because sometimes when they make that noise, like the other day, I could hear a great egret, but I couldn't see it. But I could hear it making this noise, and I knew something was going on, but I wasn't sure. And when I looked, I saw this egret coming in with a fish, and he was trying to not get the other egrets around him. And I actually moved down a little bit, and I managed to get some images of it. It was quite bright, but it's always exciting when the birds catch a fish.
use DxO Pure Raw, and I've been using it for many years, and I've become an affiliate with DxO and their software, and I've been really impressed with the new version of DxO Pure Raw 6. It's the clarity in the images is really good, and all my images that I'm showing today were run through DxO Pure Raw before I started processing them. What I really like about it is that you can run it through the actual raw file, which works very well. And just as I wind up, this is Lucy. She's my new dog, and she's a cavoodle, and she's full of mischief, and hopefully in a couple of months she'll be a lot better. But she's absolutely adorable, and she's really made herself at home here, and she's so gorgeous. I love her.